Hey friends, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm super glad to have you. I hope everyone enjoys the video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. As you can see, I got my paint out. I've been busy crafting and I just needed a painting break. We are doing a sandwich pour, flip cup. I'm just going to call it a pour. So let's start getting our cups layered. Once I get them flipped, I'll go over colors and all that fun stuff. Hopefully everyone's keeping busy, getting lots of painting or crafting in. You know, Christmas is right around the corner. Got my tree up, just the tree itself up yesterday, because we don't know how our new cat will react. Our older ladies are fine, they just ignore it. Every now and then they'll swat at like one of the balls on the tree, but nothing big. So when they were kittens, they were a little more rambunctious, but they never tried climbing the tree or anything like that. So I was like, well, we better have the tree up for a day or two and see if Moss is gonna be a good boy or a bad boy about the tree. So we got it up yesterday. I usually like to put it up the first of the month. So it's kind of like, oh, we got to do this. Canvas wise, I've got a 12 by 16 in inches, and I apologize, I can't tell you what that is in centimeters. I don't know off the top of my head. I've got a cat at the door wanting in. And he just opened the door. Oh my. So I'm gonna have to pause the video here and kick him out before he jumps up. I have a door stopper under my door and he still was able to push the door open. Oh, I can't believe it. It's Moss. I know it's him. Because he doesn't meow or anything when he's trying to get in. The older ladies, they meow, so I know what their intentions are. But him, he's just, no, let me in. Okay, don't go anywhere, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I put some heavy stuff in front of the door, so hopefully he can't push it open. Now, I think I mentioned it in another video. The door has never actually shut properly. My husband needs to fix it. You know, just kind of one of those things that you gotta do, but not too worried about it. Well, now that Mr. Moss has figured out, oh, I just have to push on the door to get it open, and the doorstop isn't stopping him, like it was the ladies. You know, we gotta get that door fixed. I think the door just has to get adjusted a little bit and then it will properly close. So the little thing that pokes out the side of the actual door itself into the jamb, into the casing, that's not lined up properly. So, and my husband is a smart man, so I know he'll be able to get it fixed. So maybe this weekend. Oh, now he's making noises because he could hear me. And he probably thinks I'm lonely and I'm talking to myself. And in essence, that's kind of what I'm doing as I'm making the video. And then you lovely people watch the video. You know, there's no one else. I don't have anyone setting up my camera. I do it all. You know, just a girl in her craft room, which is also the computer room, and storage for some stuff in the house. And then my husband's, he has some collectible items that he has in here. So not a big home. So gotta make do with the space that we have, right? Okay, 3 colors done, 2 to go. I can hear him at the door. Oh, he's such a cute cat. And he's lately, since he's been fixed, has become a lot more cuddly. You know, he's not a very vocal cat, but I definitely feel bad when he wants in, because he just wants to come and sit with me. He's really bonded to me. You know, normally when he comes in, if I'm doing computer work, I let him come up on my craft table. I gotta clean it every time. I've got a lint roller in here, so I lint roll it, Windex it, all that fun stuff. But yeah, he just jumps up on the table. He doesn't even want pets from me. He just wants to come in here and take a nap. It's all he wants. When he's awake and he's playing, sometimes he'll kind of play up on the desk and try and get into things he's not allowed in. But for the most part, as I said, it's just more to come in and nap. Last color. So you can see I've got a blue, browny, gold theme going on. So very similar colors to the last, not the last pour I did. It was a bluish one prior to that. And that was before I got the better silicone oil. So I wanted to do those colors again, but I had magenta in that one. And I took the magenta out and replaced it with the gold. Actually, this one needs a bit more. He's not getting enough love. Because I found that I couldn't even see the magenta, and I want kind of rivers, you know, look kind of rocky, something like that. Blue's I find it a very calming color, and I really like it. Hence all the blue paintings I've done. Oops, flicking paint everywhere. Thankfully, that did not get on my wall, so I'm right beside my window. As I've said before, I do not have a dedicated painting area. It's my crafting area. Do it all in the same spot. Okay, now this one at the end is being a bit of a troublemaker. Give you a bit more. Give this one a bit more, then we can flip. And I can show you my colors. I think Moss has gone off. I don't hear him at the door. So I did mention I found some bigger sticks, but they were at Michael's and they were like not expensive, but normally I've been getting these craft sticks at the dollar store. So a big bag for $1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's kind of go like that. Seen other artists do it, so figured, oh, I should do it too. Okay, colors. You want to know about colors. So we've got gold. Haven't used gold in a while, so definitely wanted to bring it back. Burnt umber. I love this color. Primary blue. Turquoise blue. You know I love that one. If you've watched any of my other painting videos. And then light blue permanent. So I have sprayed my cups with silicone spray, but maybe I'm not putting enough in. Sorry, dirty glove got on my craft computer chair. So just wiping that. So I'm gonna pause you for another second, let these release, and then I'll be back, because you don't wanna just sit here and listen to me jibber jabber about my cat. So don't go anywhere. Okay, and just like that, I am back. So I can see on the side it's released. You can't see it. You only get to see the bottom of the cups. Wow, I can't speak today. Okay, we want some good flips here. Ooh, pretty colors, pretty colors. Get my edges. Lots of paint still left in this one. So I went too quick. Okay, we'll go a little slower on this one. There we go. That one was better. Can't really see the gold yet. No. You're not going over. I didn't say you could go over. There's all the stripies. I'm going to tilt those off. Let's get edges. I don't know why the edges are always so hard. Now, this one has just a little bit more paint in here, so come on. It's already dripping over at the top there, so we'll just fix up the bottom. Okay. Flip this around. We're going this way. Got some cells up already, and I haven't torched. Loving the colors. This might end up looking more like Caribbean than anything. Yeah, lots of little cells. I wonder if my mixture is a little thin. Paint back over. Stretching out a bit. Bring everything back to the center. Bring the paint down. Flip this around. Hands around the outside. Sorry, laughing at the song by Eminem. It just popped into my head. Okay, let's get this excess paint off my hands. And we will do some torching. It's that time. So it's gonna get loud. Sorry. Torch from up high. Try not to hit my camera. Also trying not to yell at you. Yeah, the brown and the gold are very lost. Not seeing them at all. A little bit down on the bottom left corner. Cells are definitely taking their sweet time. Don't want to over torch. So we'll stop at that. You know the drill. I'm going to pause you and then I'll be back. And I may or may not torch while you're not looking. Okay, so you want to guess if I torched again or not? I did. Okay, so they're pretty small, but this happened on my last painting too. Let's finish tilting, and it could just be that my white wasn't thin enough. Move the paint down. As I do that, the cells that I've torched should grow some more. We don't want to overstretch them. Need to get over this side first. We'll come back. Come on. Come on back. I'm gonna lose some of those cells on going over this edge. middle. One little blobby cell. The rest of it's looking very nicely. Get you centered. And I'm going to torch again. See if we can get some more cells up. Just gotta wipe my hands off. I remembered to bring a couple damp paper towels. It does definitely work better. Okay, loud noises. If I can get my thing to work. It's been acting weird, so I'm gonna pause you, torch when you're not looking, and then I'll show you the results. Okay, I've zoomed you in. What do you think? I'm really, really happy with this one. Other than that one big blue cell there, which I stirred in my silicone good. You know, we got some good single cells kind of throughout. I didn't get a lot of cells to pop up there. There's some smaller ones. But I think it's really soft and almost like maybe a river. Like I think I actually kind of got what I was going for. What do you think? So hopefully it's not too dark out. The sun is just setting, getting ready to set, and it's been cloudy all day for me. So it's a little dark in my craft room, computer room. Room of everything. That's what we'll call it. Our everything room. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with this one. So hopefully you enjoyed it too, or you're enjoying the actual painting, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.